Ho'oponopono meditation for inner healing. Spiritual family, welcome to Gaia Spirit, your guide on the path to conscious growth. Today, we'll immerse ourselves in the powerful Hawaiian practice of Ho'oponopono, the sacred art of healing through forgiveness. This sacred technique not only cleanses negative energies but also transforms your inner self to release blockages, heal relationships, and invite peace into your life. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more inspiring content to help you grow. Share this video with someone who could benefit from these insights. Do you feel weighed down by memories? Are you looking to free your heart from old wounds? This ancient Hawaiian meditation will guide you toward emotional freedom. Find a quiet place. Settle into a comfortable position. And let these words resonate in your heart. Get ready to open the doors to inner healing. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath. Inhale love. Exhale your worries. Breathe deeply. Inhale love. Exhale your worries. With every breath, feel your body relaxing more and more. Inhale love. Exhale your worries. Now, visualize a soft, warm light surrounding you, a light that cleanses, heals, and fills you with peace. Inhale love. Exhale your worries. As your deep breaths continue, imagine a turquoise blue light, the color of the Hawaiian Ocean. This light cleanses and purifies everything it touches. With every breath, feel it enveloping you in its healing embrace. Repeat after me, silently or out loud, these 4 sacred phrases. Let each word vibrate through your being. I'm sorry. I acknowledge the memories and energies that created this situation. Please forgive me for everything I've caused or allowed, consciously or unconsciously. Thank you for the opportunity to heal, grow, and transform. I love you. To this situation, to myself, to the entire universe. Please imagine that with every word, blocked energies dissolve into love and gratitude. I'm sorry for all the memories that need healing. Please forgive me. I release all guilt and resentment. I love you. I embrace myself with unconditional love. Thank you for this profound healing. Allow these sacred phrases to continue resonating. Feel how every cell in your being is filled with light. Every memory is transmuted into love. Slowly, begin to move your fingers. Take a deep breath. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, bringing this inner peace with you. Spiritual family. Feel how peace flows within you. You are free from limiting patterns and aligned with universal love. Your energy now vibrates at a higher frequency. Thank you for sharing this moment of healing with Gaia Spirit. If this Ho'oponopono meditation resonated in your heart, I invite you to practice Ho'oponopono daily to cultivate peace and love in your life. Share this video with someone who may need healing and light on their journey. Subscribe to Gaia Spirit and turn on the notification bell for more conscious growth tools. Remember, spiritual family, peace begins within you. From Gaia Spirit, we send you love, light, and gratitude. Until next time.